everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Plum Paper and it is my planner for 2020. So I am going to use a couple of planners next year, but this is going to be my personal planner, the one that I will use most often. And well, that's not true. The one that I will use for all of my personal plans, the one that you will see me do my plan with me. Oh my goodness. So I did ask for it unbound and unpunched. And you can pick lots of different covers, but I picked a fall one just because fall is my favorite, and because I don't really use the cover anyway, it's not a big deal. Oh look, I got some stickers. That's new. You are super duper amazing. Go getter. Let nothing stand in your way. Let's do this. Oh yeah, paradise found. You got this. That's cool. And so they tell us all about their planners, and let's see, it says strong coil. Our coil is made of a strong and durable metal material. Durable cover. Our personalized covers are water resistant and tear proof. Mylar tabs. All tabs are coated with Mylar lamination to last all year long. Any start date. Choose any start date for your month of your planner so no pages go unused. Pocket folder. A double-sided pocket folder is included for extra storage. And quality paper. Planner pages printed on Luxe super smooth 70-pound paper. And I can tell you that that's one of the reasons why I continuously order Plum Paper planners. For me and for my loved ones. And I recommend them to everyone because I just love the paper. So I got a fall one, and it comes, even though I'm not using it this way, it comes with the plastic cover, and then it comes with the cover. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. I thought that was a beautiful saying anyway. But the covers are very nice. I just don't use them in my planner, but I might use it like as some sort of dashboard or something like that. But let's go ahead and take a peek. This is the A5 size. This is the same size that I'm currently using. So it is a true A5, which means that the paper measures, well, about 5 3/4 by 7, 8, and almost a half. So 5 3/4 by 8 1/2-ish. No, 7 1/2-ish. Sorry. 7 1/2-ish. No, 8 1/2-ish. I'm right. 6, 7, 8 1/2-ish. Okay. Whew. So 5 3/4 by 8 1/2. So the first page, it says personalized by you, for you, by you, Plum Paper. This planner belongs to, and you can write all your personal information. Then it has 2020's calendar at a glance. And then it has special days for 2020 or any year. You can make this your calendar that you write all your birthdays in or whatever. Here are ideas and goals. I'll just show you the planner and then I will later show you how I do mine. And here's January, and every month is going to be the same, so I won't go through all of them, but January has 3 little dots for you to write things in: birthdays, events, things to remember, and then these I left blank, and you can customize all of that. And then it goes into, oh well, there was a page, sorry, of just notes, and then there is the monthly calendar, and it has the holidays already in, and then it also has the next month's calendar. And then I have the vertical planner, so it has the days of the month that are not part of January are grayed out, and then when it's the month, this is January, it has them colored. And she does offer, or they offer, like color or black and white, but I like the color, even though I think the colors are kind of odd how they do it, but whatever. I'm not gonna, I usually cover them up anyway, so it's not a big deal to me. But there's a section that says to do, and then a section of notes. And this is each week. So it has the January calendar, to-do, notes. All of those are colored because it's the same month. And then let's get to the end where 2 days aren't colored because that will be February. And then there's another page of notes. And then I asked for to-do lists to be added. So there's a to-do list at the back of each page, and it should be double-sided. So yes, it is. So it has to-do lists, and there's like 8 of them. And then each month is the same with the cover, and then the calendar, and then not highlighted, but then highlighted. And then it has the calendar, the to-do, the notes. It has a note page, and then 1 page of to-do list. And then March, and it's all the same all the way through. So let me get to the end. And the tabs are very nice. I know that I mentioned that before, but the tabs are very nice. I've never had them peel or anything with any of my calendars, and I've been using Plum paper since 2015. And then I did get some added on sections. I got a section for blog, and this has all of my login information, platform, username, password, email, handle, all of that. And then it has a monthly overview of important dates and holidays, to do this month, post idea, brainstorm, add and sponsor notes, giveaway and review notes, and blog priorities. Now I'm going to use this more for YouTube, at least this section I'm thinking. So it's not going to be, ooh, now I'm wondering, should I use this planner for my YouTube planner and the other one for my personal planner? I don't know, I'm going to have to give that a little minute of thought. And then there's a blog post schedule, and then it has write, edit, and post, and statistics that you can keep track of, and reflection for your blog organization, content quality, blog promotion, blog income, blog traffic, overall success. And I guess you just, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess you just rate it wherever you think that it is. And then it has the same thing from month to month. So there should be 12 of those. And then there is an advertising, sponsorship, and review. And it has a place for you to write the company and information, some duration, details, your company contact, and what you're getting paid to do that. And there's a total of 6 of those. And then there's giveaways. There's a giveaway and a contest. And you can write general information, duration, details, value, and then statistics and affiliate contact information, and then the winner contact information. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And there's an expense tracker, which has 2 pages, and then an income tracker, which also has 2 pages. And then finally there is an yearly overview with your total gross, total expenses, and then your net, and then your blog reflection, where you can put all of your monthly overviews on here and see what you think, like get an overall feel. And then I have a section of to-dos because I enjoy a good to-do list. So I have several sheets of those. And then I also have a section of checklists because I also enjoy a good checklist. This has evolved a little bit through the years, just the way it looks, but it's not too much different. And then I have graph paper, just because I enjoy using graph paper when I'm writing some things. It's also kind of handy when I'm doing like a one sheet wonder or something like that. I can kind of use that to help me figure out how I'm going to disperse it. And then at the end is a few pages of, or 2 pages maybe, of dots. Well, 1, 2, 3 dotted papers, and then a password page, and then a contacts page where you can write your contacts in here, and then a listing of the U.S. holidays for 2020, 2021, 2022, and then a look forward to 2021. And then here is the folder that they had mentioned in that one page, and it is double-sided, and it's stuck at the bottom, so it's a nice folder. And then it has the back cover, which matches the front cover, and then the little plastic sheet to go over it. So that is the Plum paper planner that I have for 2020, and I will take you along with me when I show you how I'm going to use it. And I'm probably going to go ahead and decorate the months early, and I might walk you through those just because I enjoy that. I like having my months done, or I could make them individual monthly videos. I don't know. I haven't decided yet how I'm going to do that, but yeah, I will let you know, and then I will also show you what planners I'm going to use and do my planner setup and all of that. But so far, this is what I have. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.